Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. What I've got here today, it's the Quechua inflatable tent to put here on the rooftop. We are setting it up and it's something that I've been really excited to test. This Quechua is not as expensive as a normal rooftop tent, and it's one of the most compact and user-friendly rooftop tents that I've ever seen. Let's inflate it, let's put it on the rooftop, let's test it out, let's see how it works. My first impression is that it's really light. One person can hold it easily and put it on the roof of the vehicle. No need to have a friend to put it up. I'm gonna open it up and let's see what we got inside. These two clips will come out and here we will have the leather. Opening up the leather bag, what do we have here? The leather sits closely inside. We have here full instructions on how to assemble, typical from Decathlon. I think it's an easy step, how to put it on top of the car and how to face it. Inside also the bag, we have the tube to inflate the tent, and I think this is a little awning that you can set up on the side of the tent, and after you're going to try it out also. Inside the bag you will find a repair kit, a spare valve and the fixings according to your car and different measurements to hold the tent in place. Over here what we have, the tent. I think you just need to hold it, put it on top of the car and start inflating it to see how it looks. I'm gonna try and put it up myself and show you. It's a windy day, so it's also nice to test for us to see the sturdyability of the tent on top of the Jeep. I'm just gonna hold the tent like this and throw it up the roof. Here it is. And I'm just gonna climb up. You have here a note saying left, right. I suppose this should be mounted like this, opening up. And now what we need to do, we need to fix the tent so it doesn't fly off. I'm gonna hook it to the car. As for anchoring the tent, we got here 3 attachments that we can choose from, and then we got this adjustable with the hook. I'm gonna mess with it and try to adjust it to fix it in my car. I fixed the tent to the roof with the 4 supplied hooks, 1 in each corner, 1 in this corner here, 1 on the other corner and 1 over there. Now the next step is to start inflate it. We are going to find the mouthpiece to open, put here the pump and start putting air on it. We have here a one-way valve. The tent is rated to fill up to 7 psi's or 0.5 bars. We are going to set up our electric pump and put some air in. The electric pump is ready, set up for 0.5 bars. Let's inflate this baby. First impression after we pumped up the struts. They are very sturdy. I can already see here that we have underneath the mattress a true structure for the bed, as you can see here, so for sure this will be comfortable. Now what's missing is to inflate the mattress. So the mattress is 0.5 psi's. I'm going to set up the pump and I'm going to inflate the mattress. Setting up the pump here and connecting the compressor. the tent is pumped up. The mattress is really stiff. First thing I can see here, some pockets to store stuff, mobile phones, whatever. I already opened up this window for you guys to see the view here. I'm gonna step inside. This window can be opened through this side also, and through here. So lots of visibility all around the tent. You got a front window also over there. I'm gonna lay down just for you to see the space. More than enough space for 2 persons to sleep inside. I think there's no problem. It's comfortable, the mattress. You can see here that by removing this, you can take out all the roof from the tent. So with this Velcro, all this comes out if it's a sunny day or if it's for summer. I think this protection works better for the winter. If it's raining, if it's snowing, you'll have much more protection. Just take in consideration this was my first time, but I presume it was fast. Taking it out here. And I love the experience. Thanks for watching.